Good morning, everybody. This is Gaetan Berta. Today we are going to see the third part of sentence writing errors. In the previous lessons, in the previous videos, we talked about sentence fragments and subject-verb agreement errors. ከአሁን በፊት ስለ sentence fragment እና ስለ subject-verb agreement error አይተናል። ዛሬ ሶስተኛውን አረፍተ ነገር በምንጽፍበት ጊዜ ልንሰራው ከምንችላቸው ስህተቶች መካከል አንዱን እናያለን ማለት ነው። የሶስተኛውን እናያለን። That error is called run-on sentences. What is that? Run-on sentences. When people write sentences, they may combine two or more independent clauses without using appropriate punctuation mark and conjunctions. That error is called run-on sentences. Run-on sentence የሚባለው ምን ሲሆን ነው? ሁለትና ከዛ በላይ የሆኑ independent clauses ልብ በሉ. We need to have two or more independent clauses here. If those two or more independent clauses are combined without any appropriate punctuation mark, aka semicolon, or without any conjunction, that is an error. ያ ስህተት ነው። ሁለት ወይንም ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ አረፍተ ነገሮችን ምንም አይነት ስርዓተ ነጥብ ሳንጠቀም ምንም አይነት አያያዥ ወይንም ደግሞ conjunction ሳንጠቀም አብረን እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር መጻፍ ያ የአረፍተ ነገር ስህተት ነው። ያ ስህተት የአረፍተ ነገር አጻጻፍ ስህተት ነው። ያ የአረፍተ ነገር አጻጻፍ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? run-on sentence ይባላል። So, briefly, at the end of this lesson, you will be able to identify what is a run-on sentence, what are the kinds of run-on sentences, and also you will be able to identify how run-on sentence must be corrected. እነዚህን ታውቃላችሁ ማለት ነው። So, in writing, as you know, in writing, correctness matters a lot, especially in academic writing. Correctness is decisive. Correctness is crucial. በተቻለን አቅም correct መሆን ያስፈልገናል። በተቻለን አቅም የምንጽፈው አረፍተ ነገር ትክክለኛ መሆኑን ማረጋገጥ መቻል አለብን ማለት ነው። So, students or writers, including teachers, including me, may make run-on sentence writing error or run-on sentences when we combine or when we put two or more independent clauses as a separate sentence. That error is called run-on sentence. Run-on sentence ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ቅድም ተናግሬያለሁ ልድገመው because repetition sometimes matters. ሁለት እና ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ ጥገኛ አረፍተ ነገሮችን በአንድ እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ምንም አይነት conjunction ሳንጠቀም ማስተሳሰር ምን ይባላል? run-on sentence ይባላል. That is not good. That is an error. It must be eliminated. What is an independent clause? You know, most of the time, independent clauses, I can say always, anyways. Always, independent clauses have two components. Last outside. How many components? Two components. አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ውስጥ ሁለት ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ መኖራቸውን በምን ታረጋግጣላችሁ? Simply ምን ማለት ነው? Look at the subject. If there is a subject at the beginning of a sentence and if there is a predicate next, that is called one independent clause. የአረፍተ ነገር ባለቤት አለ ከዛ ቀጥሎ አንድ predicate ወይንም ማሰሪያ አንቀጽ አለ ያ ምን ይባላል? አንድ ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ይባላል። ይሄንን አያችሁ። ከዛ ቀጥሎ እንደገና ሌላ ሳብጀክት ከመጣ ሌላ ናውን ወይንም ሌላ ፕሮናውን ወይንም ደግሞ ሌላ ናውን ፍሬዝ መጥቶ ከዛ ቀጥሎ እንደገና ሌላ ፕሬዲኬት የሚመጣ ከሆነ እነዛ አረፍተ ነገሮች መካከል ምንም አይነት ትምህርተ ጥቅስ ከሌለ አሚን ስርዓተ ነጥብ ከሌለ ይቅርታ ስርዓተ ነጥብ ከሌለ ወይንም ደግሞ conjunction ከሌለ ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል run-on sentence ይባላል ማለት ነው There are two kinds of run-on sentences The first one is fused sentences and the second one is comma splice But firstly let's see what fused sentence is Very simple A fused sentence is a sentence that has two independent clauses without using any punctuation mark or any conjunction is called a fused sentence. Fused sentence የሚባሉት ሁለት independent clauses አሉት ወይንም ከዛ በላይ ነገር ግን በindependent clauses መካከል ምንም አይነት ስርዓተ ነጥብ ከሌለ ወይንም ደግሞ ምንም አይነት conjunction ከሌለ ያ ምን ይባላል fused sentence ይባላል Sometimes fused sentences are called run-on sentences. Anyways, simply, what is a fused sentence? When two or more independent clauses are combined without any appropriate conjunction or appropriate punctuation mark, that error is called fused sentence. For example, the Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack. This is one clause. This is the first clause. The Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack. ከዛ በኋላ ዝም ብዬ full stopም ሳላደርግ ምንም አይነትም conjunction ሳልጠቀም ቀጥታ no one is listening to him አልኳቸው So, እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር ሳያይዘው ምን ይሆናል ይሄ እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር እንትን ሳደርገው The Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack. No one is listening to him. There is no punctuation mark, there is no conjunction between these two clauses. The first clause is the Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack. This is the first clause. And the second clause is no one is listening to him. So, how many clauses do we have here? We have two clauses. These two clauses are written as a sentence. እነዚህ ሁለቱ independent clauses እንደ አንድ አረፍተ ነገር በመካከላቸው ምንም አይነት ስርዓተ ነጥብ ሳይኖር ምንም አይነት conjunction ሳይኖር ከተጻፉ that is incorrect. That is an error. That error is called fused sentence. ይባላል. The second one is I bought a computer. I experienced buyer's remorse. I bought a computer is an independent clause. However, after it, without using any punctuation mark or conjunction, I include another clause, another independent clause. That is, I experienced a buyer's remorse. ስንት ክሎዝ አለን እዚህ ጋር ሁለት እነዚህን ሁለቱን አረፍተ ነገሮች ወይንም እነዚህ ሁለቱን ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝስ አንድ ላይ ምንም አይነት በመካከላቸው conjunction ወይንም ደግሞ ስርዓተ ነጥብ ሳልጠቀም አንድ ላይ የምጽፋቸው ከሆነ that is an error. That error is called a fused sentence. The third one is they defeated their rivals. They defeated their rivals. This is my first independent clause. However, if I add or if I include another independent clause without using any punctuation mark or conjunction to link the independent clauses, that is an error. Okay, if I continue like this, that is not correct. They defeated their rivals. They played very well. They defeated their rivals. They defeated their rivals. They played very well. ካልኩኝ ሁለቱን አረፍተ ነገሮች ሁለቱን independent clauses አንድ ላይ የምጽፍ ከሆነ that is known as what? Fused sentence ይባላል። በመካከል there is no any conjunction, there is no any punctuation mark. ምንም አይነት ስርዓተ ነጥብ፣ ምንም አይነት punctuation mark የለም። ያ ምን ይባላል? Fused sentence ይባላል። The other one is, the last example of fused sentence is, John has a good job. This is my first independent clause. John has a good job. He doesn't support his parents is my second independent clause. Between these two independent clauses, there is no appropriate conjunction or appropriate punctuation mark. Therefore, this error is called fused sentence ይባላል። ይሄ ስህተት ማለት ነው። ልብ በሉ። ስንት ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ ይኖራቸዋል? ሁለት ወይንም ከሁለት በላይ። እነዛ ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝስ ግን አንድ ላይ ምንም አይነት በመካከላቸው ሰማይ ኮለን ሳልጠቀም ኦር ደግሞ አያይ ሳልጠቀም ጽፈው ከሆነ ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? fused sentence ይባላል። Okay, correction. If you are given a fused sentence, how should you correct that error? ስህተቱን አወቃችሁት። እንዴት ከሬክት ማድረግ አለባችሁ? አሁን ፈተና ላይ ቤዚክ ራይቲንግ የምትወስዱ ተማሪዎች ኦር ሌሎቻችሁም ፈተና ላይ አስተካክሉ ሊመጣ ይችላል። እንዴት ነው የምታስተካክሉት? The first one is, you can correct fused sentence writing error by using one, place a conjunction between the clauses. The first one is, you can use conjunction, appropriate conjunction between the clauses. በሁለቱ independent clauses መካከል ምን መጠቀም? conjunction መጠቀም ወይንም አያያዥ መጠቀም. That is the first way of correcting fused sentence writing error or fused sentences. For example, the Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack, but, or before but there must be comma. The Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack, comma, ታረጉና, but no one is listening to him. So, what is our conjunction? Our conjunction is but. What type of conjunction is but? But is a coordinating conjunction. When you link two or more clauses with coordinating conjunctions, there must be comma before them. When you link two or more independent clauses by using coordinating conjunction, before them there must be comma. ሁለት ወይንም ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ ራሳቸውን ችሎ የሚቆሙ አረፍተ ነገሮችን coordinating conjunction ተጠቅማችሁ ስታገናኙ ከcoordinating conjunction በፊት ምን መኖር አለበት? ኮማ መኖር አለበት። ስለዚህ ምን ይሆናል ማለት ነው? The Prime Minister is making a statement about the attack, comma ታረጉና, but no one is listening to him. ለምንድን ነው ኮማ የተጠቀምኩት? Because but is a coordinating conjunction. But is used to link two independent clauses. So, when two independent clauses are connected with coordinating conjunctions, don't forget students to use comma before that conjunction. The second one is, I bought a computer. I experienced a buyer's remorse. There is no any conjunction, there is no any semicolon in order to connect these two independent clauses. So, how should I correct this error? I can correct simply by using a coordinating conjunction, appropriate coordinating conjunction. So, I can say, I bought a computer, comma, but I experienced a buyer's remorse. አሁን ተጠቀም ከሆነም ባትን ተጠቀም። ከባት በፊት ማን አለ? ኮማ እንዳለ መረሳት የለበትም። The third one is, they defeated their rivals, comma, for they played very well. For is one of the coordinating conjunctions. So, if there are two clauses or more than two clauses, especially independent clauses, that are going to be linked with the conjunction for, there must be comma before it. ለዛ ነው ኮማን እዚህ ጋር የተጠቀምኩት ማለት ነው። The last one is John has a good job, comma, but he doesn't support his parents. ለምን መስላችኋል እዚህ ጋር ኮማ የተጠቀምኩት? ምክንያቱም ከኮማው በኋላ ማን ስላለ? ባስ ስላለ ማለት ነው። ስለዚህ ስታስተካክሉ these are the fixed versions of the above run-on sentences. እነዚህ በትክክል የተስተካከሉት ቨርዥኖቹ ናቸው። So, what is the first way of correcting run-on sentence? The first one is by using appropriate conjunction ይሆናል ማለት ነው። The second way of correcting run-on sentence is by using semicolon. Simply, if you put semicolon between the independent clauses, your writing is meant, your writing is good, your writing is perfect. ሌላኛው እንደገና በአረፍተ ነገሮቹ መካከል ምን መጠቀም? ሰማይኮለን መጠቀም ነው። እዚህ ላይ ሳላቆያችሁ አንዷን ብቻ ምሳሌ ልስጣችሁ። John has a good job. Semicolon ታረጉና he doesn't support his parents. አያችሁ አሁን ትክክል ነው። The one and only punctuation mark that is used to link independent clauses is semicolon. ሁለት ወይም ከዛ በላይ የሆኑ independent clauses ለማያያዝ የምንጠቀምበት ስርዓተ ነጥብ ማን ነው? Semicolon ነው። Semicolon replaces conjunctions. We can use semicolon in place of coordinating conjunctions. We can use semicolon to say but or to say and or መጠቀም እንችላለን። በcoordinating conjunctions ቦታ ማንን መጠቀም እንችላለን? semicolon መጠቀም እንችላለን። ስለዚህ ምን አለ? John has a good job, semicolon. He doesn't support his parents. That is correct. So, what is the second technique of correcting run-on sentence? By using semicolon. ጥሩ የሶስተኛው or the last one is you can correct a run-on sentence by using or by writing the independent clauses as separate sentence. ሌላኛው እንደገና run-on sentence ትክክል አስተካክላችሁ ጽፋላችሁ ሁለቱንም independent clause ለየብቻው ማለት ነው። ግን ለፍሎው መጠንቀቅ አለባችሁ። ለፍሎው ለአረፍተ ነገራችሁ ፍሎ መጠንቀቅ አለባችሁ። ለምሳሌ አሁንም እዚህ ጋር አንዱን ነው የምነግራችሁ። The Prime Minister is making statement about the attack. This is my first clause, my first independent clause. Full stop አድርግና የሁለተኛውን እቀጥላለሁ ማለት ነው። No one is listening to him. ስለዚህ ሁለቱንም እንደምንጻፍኳቸው ማለት ነው እንደ አረፍተ እንደ ሰንተንስ ጻፍኳቸው። So this is the last or the third technique of correcting run-on sentence. አሁንም እዚህ ጋር ለምን መጠንቀቅ አለባችሁ? ለፍሎዋችሁ መጠንቀቅ አለባችሁ ነው። Okay, the second type of or the other type of sentence writing error is called comma splice. The first one is fused sentence and the second one is comma splice. What is a comma splice? Look, comma splice happens or occurs when two or more independent clauses are connected with only comma splice happen የሚያደርገው መቼ ነው? ሁለት ወይም ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ independent clauses በኮማ ብቻ ስታገናኙ ምንም አይነት conjunction ሳትጠቀሙ በኮማ ብቻ ስታገናኛቸው ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? ኮማ ስፕላይስ ይባላል። አሁንም የመጀመሪያውን እንትን እላለሁኝ። ለምሳሌ for example let's assume John has a good job, comma, he doesn't support his parents. This is an error because we cannot use a comma to separate independent clauses. We cannot use a comma alone to link or to connect two or more independent clauses. ኮማ ለብቻዋ independent clauses separate ለማድረግ አንጠቀምባትም። ነገር ግን በሁለት independent clause መካከል ኮማ ብቻ ከመጣች ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? ኮማ ስፕላይስ ይባላል። አሁንም ደግሜ ልንገራችሁ። John has a good job, comma, he doesn't support his parents. How many clauses do we have? We have two independent clauses. These two independent clauses are connected with a comma. That is an error. Yes, it is. ስለዚህ since we are talking about academic writing እነዚህን ስህተቶች ማየት መቻል አለብን ነው። ስለዚህ John has a good job, comma, he doesn't support his parents የሚለው በራሱ ምንድነው ማለት ነው? That is a comma splice ይባላል ማለት ነው። ስታስተካክሉት በኋላ እመጣለሁ። Another example, I'm reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, comma, I love Snowball. Have you seen this one? I'm reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, comma, I love Snowball. What type of error is called? Comma splice, አይደለ? ለምንድን? We have two independent clauses. The first one is I'm reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, and the second one is I love Snowball. These two clauses are connected with only comma. This is not correct. ኮማ በመካከላቸው ኮማ ብቻ ነው ያለው። ይሄ ምን ይባላል? ኮማ ስፕላይስ ይባላል። ስሙ እኮ ራሱ ያስታውቃል አይደል? ኮማ ስፕላይስ ማለት ምን ማለት ነው? ሁለት ወይ ከሁለት በላይ የሆኑ ኢንዲፔንደንት ክሎዝ በኮማ ብቻ ሊንክ ሲደረጉ ምን ይባላል? ኮማ ስፕላይስ ይባላል። ኮማ ስፕላይስ ኮማ ብቻ፣ ኮማ ስፕላይስ ኮማ ብቻ በሚል መያዝ ትችላላችሁ። Another example, Lamrod always listens to English podcasts, comma, she is not able to improve her English. How many clauses do we have here? We have two independent clauses. The first one is Lamrod always listens to English podcasts, and the second one is she is not able to improve her English. These two independent clauses are linked or connected with only comma. That error is called ምን ይባላል? ይሄ ስህተት comma splice ይባላል። The third one is we are taking basic writing course, comma, some of my classmates hate the course. We are taking basic writing course, comma, some of my classmates hate the course. አሁንም ይሄ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? comma splice ይባላል። The last one is the doctor likes watching films, comma, the nurse likes watching documentary. We have two independent clauses. These two independent clauses are linked with the punctuation mark comma. ስለዚህ ሁለት ኢንዲፔንደንት የሆኑ clauses በኮማ ብቻ ሲገናኙ ያ ስህተት ምን ይባላል? comma splice ይባላል። Okay, how should you correct comma splice? comma spliceን እንዴት ነው የምታስተካክሉት? Okay, simply, if you add appropriate conjunction, you can correct comma splice. After that comma, ከኮማው በኋላ, if you use the appropriate coordinating conjunction, you are able to correct that. ከኮማው በኋላ appropriate የሆነ coordinating conjunction የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ አስተካከላችሁት ማለት ነው። Look, if you include appropriate coordinating conjunction, you are not going to remove the comma. Coordinating conjunction የምትጠቀሙ ከሆነ ማንን አታስወግዱም? ኮማዋን አታስወግዱም፣ እንዳለሽ ነው he doesn't support his parents. This is a comma splice. So how should I correct this one? John has a good job, comma, but he doesn't support his parents. Right now it's correct because I have used appropriate conjunction, appropriate coordinating conjunction. Before but there is comma because but is a coordinating conjunction. The other one is I'm reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, comma, ላስተካክለው ነው አሁን I am going to tell you the fixed versions of the above sentences, the above comma splice sentences. The first one is I am reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, comma, and I love Snowball. This one is the fixed version of I am reading George Orwell's Animal Farm, comma, I love Snowball. የዚህ ስህተት የዚህ የኮማ ስፕላይስ ስህተት ትክክለኛ ቀድሜ የነገርኳችሁ አረፍተ ነገር ነው። In addition, Lamrod always listens to English podcasts, comma, she is not able to improve her English. This is incorrect. This is comma splice. So, what is the fixed version of this comma splice? Let me tell you, ልንገራችሁ. Lamrod always listens to English podcasts, comma, but she is not able to improve her English. This is the fixed version of that comma splice. The next one is we are taking basic writing course, comma, some of my classmates hate the course. This is comma splice, yes? So what is the fixed version of this comma splice? Here you are. We are taking basic writing course, comma, but some of my classmates hate the course. The last one is the doctor likes watching films, comma, the nurse likes watching documentary. This is comma splice, yes? So what is the fixed version of that comma splice? You can say the doctor likes watching films, comma, but the nurse likes watching documentary. ብላችሁ ታስተካክላላችሁ ነው። So the first way of correcting comma splice is by using coordinating conjunction after comma. ከኮማው በኋላ appropriate የሆነ coordinating conjunction በመጠቀም comma spliceን ማስተካከል ትችላላችሁ። The second one is in addition to look not only coordinating conjunctions but also adverbial conjunctions. Even sometimes subordinating conjunctions can be used to correct comma splices. Comma spliceን ለማስተካከል coordinating conjunction ብቻ ሳይሆን ሌላ ቴክኒክ አለ። ከcoordinating conjunction በተጨማሪ ሌላ ቴክኒኩ ማን ነው? adverbial conjunction መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ። ለምሳሌ John has a good job, comma, he doesn't support his parents. This is a comma splice. ቀደም John has a good job, comma, but he doesn't support his parents ብለናል አይደለ? ከዚህም በተጨማሪ ሌላ አማራጭ አለን። ማን በመጠቀም? adverbial conjunction በመጠቀም ምን ትላላችሁ? John has a good job, semicolon, however, comma, he doesn't support his parents. However is an adverbial conjunction. When you use adverbial conjunctions in the middle to link two independent clauses, before those adverbial conjunctions there must be semicolon, and after that or those adverbial conjunctions there must be comma መኖር አለበት ነው። ይሄ ነው ሌላው አማራጭ ማለት ነው። ሌላው አማራጭ ቀደም እንደነገርኳችሁ ነው። እያንዳንዱን ኢንዲፔንደንት ክላውዝ as a separate sentence መጻፍ ትችላላችሁ ነው። Okay, the next one is you can use semicolon as well to correct comma splice. The third one is you can use semicolon to correct comma splice. ማን መጠቀም ትችላላችሁ? አሁንም semicolon ኮማን አጥፍታችሁ semicolon ለብቻዋ በመጠቀም if you use semicolon between the independent clauses, that is also the other alternative. Now it's your turn. Activity ልሰጣችሁ ነው. Are you ready? The activity is very simple. You are going to read the following sentence, and your first task must be identifying the type of error. Is that a fused sentence or a comma splice? የሚለውን ትለያላችሁ። ቀላል ነው። fused sentence ነው ወይስ comma splice ነው ትለያላችሁ። ከዛ ማስተካከል ነው። የማስተካከያ ዘዴዎችን ቅድም የነገርኳችሁ ማለት ነው። So, the first one is they want to start YouTube. They don't have any idea. What type of error is this? What is the error? Error ትጽፋላችሁ። What is the correct version? Correct version ትጽፋላችሁ። The second one is everybody wants to marry her, comma, she is the most attractive woman. What type of error ትጽፋላችሁ? What is the correct version of this one? ትጽፋላችሁ። The third one is I have asked a lot of questions, comma, no one answers them. What type of error is that? Is that a comma splice or a fused sentence? Write it and correct that error. ያንን error አስተካክሉት እስኪ። And the last one is my father likes wearing a three-piece suit. My father likes wearing a three-piece suit. He is poor. What type of error is this? Is it a comma splice or a fused sentence? Okay, let me know your answers in the comment section. ተለማመዱባቸው ይጠቅማችኋል. So, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Until next time, thank you very much indeed for listening to me. Goodbye.